how you can convert centimeter to inches or inches to centimeter in Google Docs. In this video, I will show you how you can convert this ruler you can see here in centimeter to inches or inches to centimeter. So there is a very simple and easy tutorial. So first of all, I will check in this is in centimeter or inches. You can see here this ruler. So in order to check, first click on file and then click on page setup. When you click on page setup, here you can see margin in centimeters. Now this is already in centimeters. Now we have to change this into inches and vice versa. Now in order to change into centimeter to inches, just close this, go to another tab and click open, paste this link. I have already attached this link in description. You can copy and paste from there. Just enter this link. Once you paste into this, now here you are on your Google account. Now click on personal info. Once you are personal, just scroll down at the bottom, and at the bottom here you can see language. Just click on language. Now click on English. Click on this option here. Type English and select English language. Now you have to select your country. Now in order to change your centimeter into inches, you have to select United States. When you select United States, your ruler will be in inches, and when you select United Kingdom, then your scale will be in centimeter. Now we have already in centimeter and we convert this into inches. So change into this United States. When you click on United States and click on save, now you can see this will be changed into inches. Now I will refresh my Google Docs, and now here you can see this centimeter change into inches. Now in order to check, click on file, again click on page setup. Now here you can see margin in inches. So this is the way you can convert inches into centimeter or centimeter into inches just to change your country.